On this class, we're going to be looking at the hill shade. So we'll be creating the hill shade itself. I remember we've been using the hill shade effect in our previous classes. So today we're going to create the hill shade itself. So it comes from elevation data, just like we have. If you have not watched, so you need to follow this video from the very beginning and you stay tuned with it. All right, so we're going to go to catalog and we will go to raster analysis, right? Now still on data, yeah, we're going to go to data management, raster spatial analysis, yeah. So then you go down to surface and we have our hue shade here. So you double click on it and you click on this as our input, and then let's leave this like this so that I can easily go delete them when I'm done making all of the videos and all that. So we're going to not touch this z value. Remember, we touched this z value the last time I give us something else. But importantly, always remember your environment. We go to processing extent and we select this same as layer. Then we come down to raster analysis and we click down, go to marks, and then put the study. Click on OK and we'll click on OK. So here is our hill shade. So you see the hill shade effect we have been using, so you can see that the effect is really worth it. So this is our hill shade of this whole area. So I think that's beautiful, you know. So hill shade here. So I'll see you in the next video.